Hello, second graders. So today we're going to be doing some review of something that you learned in first grade. We're going to be counting the total value of a group of similar coins. So we're going to start off with a penny. A penny has this copper color. It is the only coin we're going to be looking at that has this brownish coppery color. Now, a penny has Abraham Lincoln on the front, and it can have one of two things on the back. Let me just find one that has our other option. Here we go. So these are the two different backs that we might see on the penny. A penny's value is 1 cent, so we're going to count by ones to find the total. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 total. So to record this, I would write 14 with a C and then a line going through it. That's the cents symbol. I might also write 14 and write the word cents out. C-E-N-T-S. So you could record it either way. It doesn't really matter. So that's how we would count our pennies. Now we're going to move on to our nickels. So our nickel is bigger than a penny, just to compare them, and it has a silver color, unlike the penny. And we also have a different president on it. Thomas Jefferson is on the nickel. The back of a nickel can look like, it usually looks like this. The front of the nickel sometimes has different looks. I don't have one here. They're all the same, but just know that. So we're going to count, but we're not counting by ones this time because we have a nickel. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. So that means we have to skip count by fives. So I'm going to start, and here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I know, after skip counting by fives, I have a total of 35 cents. So I could record it this way by writing 35 with my cent sign, a C with a line going through it. Or I could write it 35 C-E-N-T-S. Either way works. So that's my nickels. Now, just to compare, we're going to move on to a dime. So let me see if I can adjust the brightness a little bit. So as you can see, here's the penny that we looked at first, the nickel, and now a dime. What we notice about these three coins is the penny's the only brownish one. These two coins are both silver colored, but the nickel has a smaller value, but it's a bigger coin. The dime has a value of 10 cents, and it's a smaller coin than our nickel, which has a value of 5 cents. So the size doesn't mean it's worth more. All right, so on top of this dime, there is one of our presidents called Franklin Delano Roosevelt, and you will see the back looks like this, and we're gonna skip count by 10 because the value of a dime is 10 to find the total of this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I have 70 cents here total. So I would write the number 70 and then a C with a line through it, or I would write 70 with the word cents. Okay, and then last but not least, we have our quarters. So again, just to compare our coins, our quarter is the largest coin of all that we're looking at today. It is silver colored like our nickel and our dime. If I put these in order of value, it would look like this. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5, a dime is worth 10, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. That's our largest value coin. And it also happens to be the biggest coin. So we're gonna skip count by 25s. We're gonna practice this a lot in school. You'll get the hang of it, but it goes like this. 25, 50, because 25 plus 25 is 50. 75, because 50 plus 25 is 75. So this is 75 cents. So I'm going to go to another page. And we would record this by saying 75, writing 75C with a line through it, or 75 cents written out. All right. So what I would suggest to you, you're going to have a group of coins on your draw it activity that you're going to have to find the value for. I suggest getting your coins that were given to you, the plastic coins that were given to you from school, or ask your family or look in your piggy bank for some real coins. That's going to help you make the coins that you see online and be able to physically count them out, just like I did here. So make sure to do that today during today's activity if you have the plastic coins or real coins. And have a lot of fun because counting money is super fun. I will see you tomorrow for another lesson. Bye for now.